Good morning, children. This is Anju ma'am here. Are you ready for some adventure with these wonderful kids? So, ready? And you all are going for jungle adventure with these wonderful kids, okay? So, before going to the jungle, let's see what you have to grab. You just have to keep something with you. Very, very important things. Let's see what you can keep it with you. Yes. And let's see what you can take with you to the jungle. Yes. So you can take gumboots. You have to wear coats. And remember to take the torch. Yes. And now we are ready for the jungle adventure. So here we go. Going for a lion hunt, going for a lion hunt. Let's go, let's go. Going for a lion hunt, going for a lion hunt. Let's go, let's go. The jungle is so beautiful, and you can see so many big, big trees. But remember, you should not climb on the trees. So what you are going to do with the trees? Yes, you can't go over it. You can't go under it. Yes, children, you can't go over it. You can't go under it. So, let's try some tree pose here. It's a one-leg balance. You have to balance on one leg and take your both the hands stretching up to the sky. Hold this pose. Very, very good pose for your body posture, right? Slowly you will hold this pose. Very good. Very good, children. And slowly you have to relax and you have to come out from the pose and you have to go further. Chalo. Going for a lion hunt, going for a lion hunt. Let's go. You all are enjoying, right? Going for a lion hunt. Let's go. Let's see what is coming next. Oh wow, you can see the river. And surprisingly, you can see the boats also. But it could be danger to sit in the boat. So what you are going to do with the boat? You can't go over it. You can't go under it. So what? We are going to try some boat pose. For that, you just have to lie down, bring your both the legs up and raise your upper body also to hold the boat pose. So enjoy holding the boat pose, children. Merrily, 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 merrily. Yes. And very slowly you will going to come out from the boat pose and you have to walk further, right? So chalo, let's go. Going on a lion hunt, going on a lion hunt. Let's go. Let's go. Going on a lion hunt, going on a lion hunt. Let's go. Let's go. And what is this? It's a bridge. But it's an old bridge. So you have to be very, very careful. You should not try to walk on the bridge. So what you're going to do with the bridge? You can't go over it. You can't go under it. Yes, so you have to try some bridge pose. Just lie down on your back. Bring your knees towards your tummy. Just cross your knees and you have to lift your tummy up to hold the bridge pose. Keep holding this bridge pose. Yes, very good. Keep it up. Hold this pose for some time and very slowly you are going to come down from this pose. Relax your body. And what is next? Just bend your knees toward your tummy and lift your face up and just squeeze your tummy a little bit. Very good. So let's go further. Going for a lion hunt, going for a lion hunt. Let's go. Let's go. And what is coming next? Wow. Just wait for the surprise. Oh my god. It's a cave. But you should be very, very careful before go inside. Okay? It might be danger inside. And you have to be very careful. And you have to go slowly inside without making noise. Oh my god. Here is so dark. So be careful. Walk slowly. Get inside. Yes, children. Very, very careful. It's a cave. And it's very dark here. So just walk inside. Remember, you have a torch. Come on, you can torch your light and see what is here. What you can see. Oh my god, it's a cow. Come on, try to do some cow pose. Hold this pose for some time. And what is coming next? Oh my god. It's a froggy. Just try to hold some froggy pose as well. Yes, you can hop also. And what is this? What is coming? This is a mouse. So hold the mouse pose. Oh my god, be careful. I think it's a dragon. So you have to be very, very careful. You have to run fast. You have to rush to your home. Come on, go. Start running. Go out from the caves. Keep running, keep running, keep running. Run, 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 children. Yes. Oh, you have to cross the bridge. Oh, right. And what is this? Yes, you will going to ride the boat. Nice, nice, nice. And what is this? What is this? What is this? Yes, you have just crossed the trees. Big, big trees. And you are about to reach your home. Yes, to try to go inside. Get inside. Hush. So you all have reached home safely. So enjoy your day. Bye.